Welcome back to our channel, where we bring you the latest tips and tricks to enhance your browsing experience. In today's video, we're going to show you how to enable Picture-in-Picture, PiP, in the popular Turn Off the Lights browser extension. If you love multitasking while watching videos, this feature is a game changer. So, let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you have the Turn Off the Lights Beta Chrome extension installed in your browser. If you don't worry. We'll leave a link in the description below for you to download it. Once you have the extension installed, open any YouTube video, and click twice on the Turn Off the Lights gray lamp button. The mini settings panel show up, and scroll horizontal in the top navigation bar to the right side. Now click on the video tab icon, and you see the option to play the current video in a picture-in-picture mode. Click on this button allows you to watch videos in a floating window while you continue to browse other websites or work on different tasks. It's fantastic for productivity and saves you from having to switch tabs constantly. That's all for today's video, folks. We hope you found this tutorial helpful and that it enhances your browsing experience. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful content like this. As always, feel free to leave any questions or comments down below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.